How to open or create KeyBank online banking account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to activate or create your KeyBank online banking account. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, open a web browser, example Google Chrome. Now go to the search bar and type in www.keybank.com. and press enter on your keyboard. Now you'll reach on the official interface of KeyBank Online Banking, where you'll see the sign in button at top right. Underneath that, there is the enroll in online banking. Select that. Now here you have reached to the page of the KeyBank Online Banking account where you can easily create your account. So you need to choose or enter whether you want to create your personal account or business account. So let's select my personal account and click on the next button. Now you need to enter the personal information, that is you need to choose ATM or debit card or PIN or credit card or account number. Then you simply need to enter your SSN or personal TIN and then your email address, and here you need to choose whether you want ATM or credit or simply credit card. And after that, click the next button. After that, you need to verify your identity and enter your name and accept the terms. After that, you need to set up a user ID and password and enter the verification code sent to your email. You need to use your user ID and password to access your account and then log into your account on KeyBank online banking account. So that is it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.